Should I try a knack?
Go for it. You want to eat shit?
With you, the sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Oh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you.
Jesus!
I don't know what that guy was doing, meditating or what? You can't just be sitting on the jump like that.
I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la.
Oh, hey, what's up, y'all? It's CJMoto. What's this? We got some coffee for me? You guys didn't have to do that this morning. How you guys doing? You want to talk about the Sur Ron a little bit? Oh. Hope everyone's having an awesome day.
I'm just out here
Getting a little bit of riding in. And I wanted to say good morning to all you Sur Ronsters out there and all you potential future. Oh my goodness, look at this. Someone left their pit vipers on the trail. So yeah, guys, let me get out of the way of this beautiful machine. Hopefully I'm still in the shot. I just wanted to stop by and say hi to you guys. We're gonna get a little bit of FPV footage in today, motovlog action. I got the tripod finally. It's like the GoPro Max grip tripod extension, whatever, but if you guys got a GoPro, get yourself one of them. It's freaking sweet. So this thing's been running great. I got the DVO suspension pretty well dialed in. It's to the point where it's just a blast right now, and then I've got like 25 PSI in my tires. I might go a little bit lower today. We just hit 2,000 subscribers, and I wanted to say thank you guys so much for that. Super awesome. And yeah, I hope everyone's doing really well. I hope this video is finding you well. How's life treating you? I went out and partied a little too hard last night, and so now I'm drinking some coffee. Ate some pizza on the way to the trail. Trying to do everything I can to keep myself making these videos for y'all and not being a wimp about it and sitting around hanging out all day and not making any content. So, but yeah, we can take a little closer look at the bike if y'all want to. You want to do that? I know that's why you're here. You're not here for my beautiful face. Although, I mean, come on now. But here she is, baby. That is the 2020 Sur Ron X Black Edition. And if you're interested in what I have on this thing, we can go over it real quick. We can go bottom to top on this sucker. We got the Shinko Golden Boy tires. Okay, they're 2.75 by 19. They're like a dual sport tire. Okay, they're super awesome. We got the DVO Emerald suspension, which is super rare to find. I got that from Eric Hicks with Sur Ron, or Luna Cycles rather. He bought some of the last ones that DVO had, and they're not even producing that fork anymore, but that thing's sweet. You got your compression up top, you got your rebound adjustment up here, and then on the bottom down there you got your high and low speed. So that's what we got there. Then we got the Unicycles version 2 stainless steel skid plate. Okay. We got some Protaper neon grips with some grip donuts. We got some Protaper 810 3-inch high-rise handlebars, and I did chop them a little bit shorter. So they are actually about maybe 80, I don't know, 790 millimeters, something like that. A little more narrow for all these tight single track trails out here. This place is super awesome. Oh man, it's a blast, guys. It's the bomb diggity, thebomb.com. We got a Fisher Fab House light. That thing's sweet, 5-way adjustable, nice and bright. You just click it once for on, twice for second power, 30 times, 4 times. That's like 3,200 lumens. And then you got your blinking mode. And then if you click it once again, it powers back down to daytime running lights. Then we got our graphics kit on there. Okay. I'll try to link some of this stuff in the description to the video. We got the graphics kit. We got a DID non-O-ring chain, 320. I think it is 320 or 420, I forget. 420, I'm sorry. We got the Shimano HC H something or other. I'll put that in the description, or I'll try to remember to. You got to get those upgraded brake pads. They make these brakes 10 times better. We're still running the D&M burner rear shock. I love it. It's awesome. Does everything I need it to do. And oh, everyone asks about this. The Deity Cavity Premium Race Goods stem, baby. Deity Cavity. Make sure you get the 31.8 millimeter clamp, and I think it was 50 millimeters this way. So 50 and 31.8, I believe. They're really helpful if you go ahead and call them. But anyhow, my buddy Lorenus is calling right now. Let's see what he wants. Yo, what up, man?
Hey, where you at?
I'm on the trail. What are you doing?
I'm at the jumps.
Oh, perfect. Come down the... I'll come find you right now. I want to get you to do a backflip or a front flip for YouTube.
You're gonna do a front flip?
No, I want you to do a front flip.
Oh, fuck that.
All right, I'll talk to you in a minute.
Alright, bye.
All right, let's see how far I can get.
Pretty dope.
Lorenus's first ride on the Sur Ron. Hopefully he doesn't crash it, because I never have. Oh, we got a little bit of air. Show him those forks. Pump those forks up. Them forks, dog. You're gonna be on YouTube. Uh-oh. Oh, God. We're on the ozone sandstorm, baby. Get out of my way, you slow Ron rider. Freaking electric bikers thinking they can just come out here and ride their stupid electric bikes that have no pedals like they're real racers. Freaking kidding me? Sandstorm, baby.
Don't tap that front brake. Front brake will put you on your booty. Ah! Dude, this freaking ozone is killer. That thing ain't no joke on these trails. You like it?